Bullseye.
Bullseye.
Go ahead, load up 5. This is real. You want to try one first? Okay, try one. Good. You can use your left hand to help you get it in your right hand. That's fine. So wait, stop, finger out. The shell, you're good. That's why we have the glasses on. You're wearing appropriate clothing, you're good. Look down. See where you hit? That's good. What that tells me is you had your front sight up a little high. And then, but that's good. You didn't flinch. If it would have hit low, it means you would have flinched, and that's good. So that's a good first shot. Remove the magazine. You gotta be okay. You gotta remember, the casing's hitting you. Worst case scenario, you're gonna get a burn. If you start jumping around with a gun, you're gonna make okay? So remember, put the gun down before you want to freak out or try to get the brass on your shirt. No, it's okay. So here, go ahead and load these 4. So when you're looking at your sights, your front sight's going to be clear, the target's going to be a little blurry, and your rear sight's a little blurry. The only thing that's clear is that front sight, which is something to keep in mind. Good. Yep. Yep. Sir. Good. Hold the slide. There you go. Good. All right, load it. All right, so this side, same target, just the one above it. Top, middle, orange circle, okay? Remember, just your finger. Good, that was good. Just a little motor centering is perfect. So remember, you're slowly pulling that finger, okay? You're not snapping your finger quick, you're slowly pulling it until you let it go. Did that one startle you a bit? That's how it should feel. It's because you didn't anticipate the shot. So see how you pulled it slow without moving the gun? You can pull it a little quicker. It's finding that middle ground where you're not taking a minute to shoot it and you're not gaming your gun. You know what I'm saying? Find that middle ground. So you did good. You turned, but you kept your gun downrange. That was perfect. Good job. You have 2 more. So thumbs. Good. That was a great shot. Awesome. Okay. So that last one, you got a little excited. Push, but you know why. You know what I mean? You can see that you hit low, and now you understand why you hit low. It's because you moved your hands. So you prove to yourself that you're capable of hitting what you're aiming at. It's just getting the muscle memory and down. Move the magazine. Good. All right. You want to take a second? Yeah, just take a breath. We have 10 shots left, so we're going to have 2 more strings. Okay. So this next group, you see these smaller circles? Now you try to shoot those. Okay. What we call it aim small, miss small. Let's pretend you're shooting at something that's a 10-inch target. What you want to be doing is trying to aim at like an inch circle inside of that target. So even if you miss that inch circle, you're still hitting inside the 10-inch circle. It's that kind of thing. It's minimizing what you're aiming at, so even if you miss, you're still hitting the main target. So I'm going to have you trying to literally shoot the number inside the circle. But we'll call a successful hit anything that hits inside the white kind of around it. You know what I mean? This is the target. I'm trying to have you hit that, so even if you miss, you still hit the target. You know there's 5 circles? You got 5 shots. I want you to try to put 1 shot in each circle. Your choice on the order. Okay? almost too much time. There is such a thing as waiting too long because you start moving a bunch. If you takes you more than, let's say, 3 to 5 seconds to get a shot off, kind of re-analyze, re-aim, you should want to try to do it within 5 seconds. Okay? So go for the 3 now. Good shot. Okay? So you're noticing just a little bit of movement, not a lot. So that's only 2 inches. You're not moving that much. So here you're probably moving a 1/4 inch to get it to be 2 inches and 3 yards. You're not moving a lot, but it's enough. Same thing. So look, there's positives to take from this. Your centering is really good. Let's even think about it. Let's say you're shooting at somebody my size, or even somebody your size. That's still chest hits, center chest hits. You know what I'm saying? Even if you're flinching low, pushing it 3 or 4 inches down, it doesn't matter. You're hitting center max. That's something there's positives to take from it. So, remove your magazine, tear it on back. So, just remove it. Good. Alright, we're loading up the last 5 here. I would definitely save that other box of 380 you have for another time. 380 is hard to get right now. So save that ammo. stop getting better at this and never try to. There's always somewhere to go. So just know that.
Thank you.
Yep. She was very safe. She picked up the just all the concepts and everything. She did really good.
Excellent.
Yep.
Where'd you come from?
I came from Alamo.
What are you doing at Alamo?
It's liberty or death.
Liberty or death? That sounds serious.
Yeah, it's Alamo is in Naples. It's an indoor range by Lotus Gunworks.
So it's a gun range.
Yes,
What are you doing at a gun range?
of course, eat.
Eat.
If you want to go to their website, it's www.alamorange.com. So this is my ta-da! I went shooting. What's the gun, babe?
It's a Smith and Wesson M&P Shield Easy.
Yeah, that's my gun. My gun. So this is my first target.
Matt.
Matt asked me to target this. The whole target actually is this square here, but the sweet spot is the orange circle. But I first shot this, and then I got 2 shots here in the top tip of my paper. But he said that it's okay, it's still in the area. And then my second target is this upper orange circle, and I first hit here, I guess, and then here, and then boom,
Bullseye.
So I was so happy with that thing here right in the middle. Look at that. And then the next target are these numbers here. He said either from bottom to top or top to bottom. I picked the bottom to top. So that's my first shot in the bottom, right there. You see how small these circles are, so it's hard to target them. Then the next, I'm supposed to hit the number 2, but I still hit the number 1. So, and then when I hit the number 3, I hit the exactly number 3. I did not move up. I keep targeting the number 3. And then the last part that I gonna hit is this shapes, which is kind of harder because it's in the left side and we're in the wall, and I'm avoiding the wall. So yeah, number 5 first is this, the bottom. So that, and then I got number 4 and that. So that's my shooting today, and then I got my record last April 2017. This is, so let's separate that. This is my record in Alamo. I got the date here. I forget the date, but it's April 15, 2017, and I got my signature here. So this is that first shot here. So the first time that I did good also. Because look, I got a lot of shots here.
And that was with the 22.
What was that gun?
22 caliber.
Yeah, that's not ours.
No, this is a smaller gun.
Yeah,
Smaller
this is provided by Alamo.
Right.
So yeah, and then the second time, the same date, because they let me shoot 2 times. This is the second time. It's more in the. I even did better in the. Oh yeah, I did better in the second time because in the first time. Oh, I think I did do this first try better in the head. Right in the head, look.
Yeah, this was your first try because that says second try.
Yeah, so this is my second try. So I think I did better in the. Or they asked me to hit the head.
They may have, yeah.
I don't know. And then here, it's all chest, so. Yeah, so that's it. I had so much fun.
Very good. Did you follow all the safety rules?
Yes, then put your hand in the trigger until you're ready to shoot. And always be aware of where you're shooting and what's behind where you're shooting. And always treat a gun loaded, as if it's loaded. And don't hold a gun when you drink. Don't drink when you're planning to go shooting. So that's it. Thank you, babe, for the experience.
You're welcome. That's all right now from Mrs. Wider.
Thank you Matt from Alamo. He's very patient and good in explaining what to do.
Did you tip him?
No.
Well, you forgot to tip him. We have to go back and tip him.
Next time. Sorry, Matt.